Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to apply button and its icon in the list or tree view in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will study about how to add password attribute and password field in Odoo 19 for our custom module. Now, let's see here in our person menu. Let's add a field known as password. In the model, we can simply add a field password is equal to fields dot character type, and I'll just simply add this in our view as well in form view. Here, add a field and control V. Now what I'll do, I'll just restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module. Now in library management, our person view, and here you can see a password field is there. Now when I add anything in the password and save it, it shows directly. But you may have seen in any of the login system that password field is hidden, like round characters have shown in the login system. Similarly, if we want that type of feature in our Odoo, we can do that by simply adding an attribute known as password in the XML view. Let's go to the XML view. Here in the form view, you can add an attribute password is equals to true. Now I'll just simply restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module. Now simply go to the library management, persons view, and here you can see now the value is hidden like the login systems. So in order to hide your password, you can add the attribute password is equals to true. Let me summarize today's topic. In order to have the password value hidden or any of the value hidden like a password like the login system, you can simply add an attribute known as password is equals to true in the field in XML view, and simply upgrade your module and you will find your field as hidden. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.